In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out, cleanly reinstall Cursor, and set up your account the right way. First, let's make sure you're fully signed out. Open Cursor, go to your account or profile area, and choose the option to sign out. Give the app a moment to complete the process, then quit the application completely. On desktop, that means closing the window and ensuring it's not running in the background. This prevents any lingering processes from holding onto files during removal. If you have custom settings or snippets you care about, back them up before you proceed. Next, we'll do a thorough uninstall to resolve glitches and clear corrupted files. Use your operating system's standard uninstall method so permissions and dependencies are handled correctly. On Windows, remove the app from Apps and Features. On macOS, move it to the trash and empty it. On Linux, use your package manager. If the developer offers an official uninstaller, use it to clean up supporting files. Avoid random third-party tools that could remove unrelated items. Once uninstalled, restart your computer to release any locked files and refresh system paths. After the restart, download the latest installer from the official Cursor website. Installing the current version ensures you have all recent fixes and compatibility updates. Run the installer and let it complete without interruption. If your firewall or antivirus prompts you, allow the installer if it's from the official source. When you open Cursor again, sign in with your existing account or create a new one only if you're legitimately new to the service. Use an email you own and intend to keep. It's important to follow the terms of service. Don't try to create multiple accounts to loop or extend a trial, and don't attempt to reset or bypass trial limits. Running scripts or tools that claim to reset trial information can violate agreements, jeopardize your account, and may compromise your device. If you need more time to evaluate Cursor, check whether there's a free tier, a student or educator program, or a legitimate trial extension. Many teams also provide discount plans or proof of concept licenses for businesses. If you're troubleshooting issues, consider starting with a clean profile, disabling conflicting extensions, or contacting support with logs so they can pinpoint the problem. To recap, you signed out fully, closed the app, uninstalled cleanly, restarted, reinstalled from the official source, and signed in a way that respects the platform's rules. This approach keeps your system healthy, your data safe, and your account in good standing. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, let me know what you'd like to see next.